Here's a full recipe for blueberry lemon cheesecake. Ingredients. For the crust: 1.5 cups graham cracker crumbs. 2. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 3. Half cup unsalted butter, melted. For the cheesecake filling: 1. 16 ounces, 2 packages, cream cheese softened. 2. Half cup granulated sugar. 3. 2 large eggs. 4. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 5. Zest of 1 lemon. 6. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. For the blueberry topping: 1.5 cups fresh or frozen blueberries. 2. 1/4 cup granulated sugar. 3. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 4. 1/4 cup water. 5. Zest of 1 lemon. 6. Juice of 1 lemon. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Line a 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 cm, square baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on 2 opposite sides for easy removal later. Prepare the crust. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and melted butter. Mix until the crumbs are evenly coated. Press this mixture into the bottom of the prepared baking pan to form an even crust. Use the back of a spoon or your hands to press it down firmly. Bake the crust in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes, then remove and set aside. Make the cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until it becomes smooth and creamy. Add half cup of sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined and the mixture is smooth. Pour and bake. Pour the cheesecake mixture over the baked graham cracker crust. Spread it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is slightly jiggly. Prepare the blueberry topping. In a saucepan, combine the blueberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, cornstarch, water, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and the blueberries burst, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Add the blueberry topping. Once the cheesecake is out of the oven and has cooled for a few minutes, spread the blueberry topping evenly over the cheesecake layer. Chill and serve. Allow the cheesecake or cheesecake bars to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours, or overnight for best results. Once fully chilled and set, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the cheesecake or bars from the pan. Cut into squares and serve. Optionally, you can dust them with powdered sugar, or add a dollop of whipped cream before serving. Enjoy your blueberry lemon cheesecake.